The Waorani, guardians of the Emerald Forest. Deep within the emerald embrace of the Amazon rainforest, untouched by the relentless march of time, live the Waorani people. Their world, a tapestry woven from vibrant greens and hushed whispers of the wind, is a testament to their enduring bond with nature. For generations beyond counting, the Waorani have thrived in this verdant labyrinth, their lives intricately entwined with the rhythm of the forest. They are the guardians of this sacred realm, their existence a poignant echo of humanity's ancient pact with the wild. The Waorani's world is a symphony of life, a realm teeming with creatures both wondrous and formidable. Towering trees pierce the heavens, their canopies alive with the chatter of monkeys and the vibrant plumage of exotic birds. Beneath this emerald canopy, jaguars prowl the forest floor, their silent steps a testament to the predatory dance of life and death. In this vibrant ecosystem, the Waorani have found their niche, their lives interwoven with the intricate web of existence that surrounds them. The hunt lifeblood of the Waorani. In the heart of the Amazon, where the air hangs heavy with humidity and the scent of life and decay, the hunt is more than a means to an end. It is a sacred ritual, a dance between predator and prey that has sustained the Waorani for millennia. It is a testament to their deep understanding of the forest's intricate workings, their ability to read the language of the jungle and anticipate the movements of its denizens. The hunt is deeply woven into the fabric of Waorani society. It is a rite of passage for young men, a test of their skill, courage, and connection to the spirits of the forest. Their fathers and uncles, seasoned hunters with eyes that miss nothing, guide them, passing down the ancient wisdom accumulated over countless generations. Silent stalkers. Mastering the art of monkey hunting, the Waorani are renowned for their prowess in hunting monkeys, creatures that are as agile and cunning as they are essential to the tribe's diet. Armed with their blowguns, intricate instruments crafted from the heart of the chonta palm and imbued with the spirits of the forest, they move through the undergrowth with the stealth of jaguars. The hunt begins with a silent prayer, a plea to the forest spirits for a successful hunt and a promise to honor the animal's life. Then, with senses sharpened and bodies poised, the hunters move like phantoms through the undergrowth, their eyes constantly scanning the canopy for any sign of movement. The air is thick with anticipation, the silence broken only by the rustling of leaves and the distant calls of unseen birds. Ancestral legacy weaving knowledge into the next generation. The Waorani's deep connection to their environment is not merely a matter of survival, it is a profound spiritual bond passed down through generations. Their hunting practices, steeped in tradition and imbued with respect for the creatures they hunt, are a testament to their ancient wisdom. Their knowledge of the forest, its rhythms, and its inhabitants is not learned from books or lectures, but woven into the very fabric of their being. From a young age, children are initiated into the world of the forest. They learn to identify the myriad plants and animals that share their environment, to understand their uses and their dangers. They are taught the art of tracking, of reading the subtle signs and signals that the forest reveals to those who know how to listen.